Look, we're gonna sing about birds. So I found all these pictures of beautiful birds. Look at all those birds. Do you hear birds outside right now? This is our song, we're Rockin' Robin. And then with a little special surprise in there. So, if you have a shaker and you want to shake, or if you want to stand up and dance, you can do that too. He rocks in the treetops all the day long, rockin' and a boppin' and a singing a song. All the little birds down on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin going tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, tweet, tweedledee-dee. Go rockin' Robin, 'cause you're really gonna rock tonight. Every little swallow, every chickadee, every little bird in the tall oak tree, the wise old owl, the big black crow, flapping his wings and singing, go birdie go. Rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, tweet, tweedledee-dee. Go rockin' Robin, 'cause you're really gonna rock tonight. Met a little bird at the bird bandstand, taught him how to do the bop and it was grand. Started going steady and there bless my soul, out popped the buzzard and the oriole. He rocks in the treetops all the day long, rockin' and a boppin' and a singing his song. All the little birds down on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin going tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, tweet, tweedledee-dee. Go rockin' Robin, 'cause you're really gonna rock tonight. Go rockin' Robin, 'cause you're really gonna rock tonight. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. This is my message to you. Don't worry about a